This is Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm going to show you how to use the new FBA inventory page to send inventory into an Amazon fulfillment center, specifically several different ASINs. If this video helps you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get going. So FBA changed its inventory tool, and it's a little confusing in some ways, but in some ways it's like the old tool. And basically what I want to do, I want to send in 3 ASINs on this page. This shows all of my inventory, both FBA, just FBA actually, and just get them to a single FC and using a single box. So 3 ASINs, 1 box, new FBA inventory tool. And as far as I know, this is the only way to send in multiple ASINs. You can't do it from the inventory planning tool anymore. So let's first find the ASINs that are going in. And you should know the ASINs, of course. You should also know the number of items and the weight of the box and the size of the box. So I already have that information all ready to go. Scrolling down here. So this is one of them. This is the other one. And then this is the third one. So once you select all 3, you'll see at the top it says bulk action, 3 items selected. I'm going to select send replenish inventory, and then it opens up the send to Amazon workflow. All right, so I'm actually sending in individual units. I'm not choosing one of the kind of the box templates that have a set number of items for each one. So individual units for this particular one, the top one, it's going to be 10. Second one is also going to be 10, and then the third one's going to be 15. Then click Ready to Pack under each one of those. Okay, so these are all set to go. Just make sure that that's correct, and then click Pack Individual Units. Okay, key question. Packing information. How many boxes will these units fit into? In my case, it's everything will fit into 1 box. And then click Confirm. Box dimension. So I already told you I have that information prepared. It's 14 by 10. Whoops. 14, not letting me tap through it, by 10 by 6. And then the weight is 12 pounds. Confirm packing information. And by the way, you should get that information correctly. Now, I've shown this in other videos before. I always get these stupid warnings saying that it does not meet the expected minimum cubic inch of whatever. Usually it's a big number. If you are the owner of the account, you can get through it just by clicking Confirm and Continue. If you see this warning and you're not the owner of the account, you might be prevented from proceeding further, which is super frustrating. I suspect the reason I'm getting this warning is because there's a small difference between the measurement of the box I just gave and then also the calculated volume of the box according to the units and the unit weights and all that other stuff. I just don't have time to deal with that right now. I'm just going to click Confirm and Continue. Then you select the date it's going to be shipped. So I'm shipping it myself today. If you were working with a supplier, you'd have to determine when that box would be ready to go. And it says, here's the Amazon fulfillment center it's going to. It's in New Jersey. Here's the rate, $5.92. That's actually really good. That's a lot less than what I would pay if I was using UPS myself. And it is using UPS, but a heavily discounted rate. So accept charges and confirm shipping. Okay, one last thing I do before I finish up is I rename the shipment, because right now it has this shipment where if I look at it later on, I can't tell what's inside. So I always rename it. And the way that I do it is I do 10. Actually, I'm just going to name the product 5 Gen Ped. 10. What was the other one? Normal FGS. 15. 10 Gen. Okay. So I can look at this and tell right away what it is. Sometimes I also put on the date. I can do that today. All right, and then save it. And the reason I do this is, first of all, this will show up on the shipping label itself. And also, if I'm reviewing my shipments later on, let's say there's a problem, it's very easy for me to tell exactly what's inside the box. So this is the system that I use. I then choose a letter, and then I click print, and this shipment will be ready to go. So again, this is using the new Amazon FBA inventory page. It's a little bit different than the old inventory page, but some of the processes are the same. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And also, if you go to leanmedia.org, that's my official blog. Click on blog or video. I have tons of blog posts, videos about Amazon FBA, Amazon FBM, Amazon advertising, Facebook, Shopify, all kinds of platforms that you can use to expand your online business. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.